You can either connect an existing domain. So in a new tab, just to kind of show you guys, if we go to Namecheap, namecheap.com, and I have no affiliation with them, just showing you, you could look up a domain here. So maybe this is going to be Dry Creek Jerky Co. Copy that, Dry Creek Jerky Co. Or maybe drycreekjerky.co. I don't know, either one would be fine. But drycreekjerkyco.com is $11.28 per year. But then, they say the retail is $15 a year. If we just go directly through Shopify, typically it's like an extra couple dollars per year, $16 versus about $12. So it definitely is a bit more expensive here, but when doing it directly through Shopify, you are getting some advantages. One, it's super easy. For example, your payment information is all in one place. So if you have an expired credit card, you just update it on Shopify. You don't have to sign into Namecheap and update it there as well. And you don't have to worry about losing your domain. Similarly, this does come with Whois privacy. So if somebody just looks up your domain, they're not going to find out what your home address and credit card information actually are. So I'm going to buy this domain. It's going to attach to this store, payment processing, and then we will have that domain for this website.